James Northcott,
Yeah?
you're under arrest for sexual assault.
Sexual assault?
Before I ask you any questions, I must tell you, you have the right to remain silent. That means you do not have to say anything, answer any questions or make any statement unless you wish.
And we can all go home. You've restored my faith in the system, gentlemen.
There's no guarantee.
Of course there is.
We'll be in touch.
Watch yourselves on that drive home.
Please come away. What do we want? Please come away from Grace.
3. All clear? 5. Jogging. Charging again. Jogging.
Why are you stopping? Why are you stopping? Why are you stopping?
I'm sorry, Mrs. Reinhardt. He's gone.
Keep
There's nothing
going,
more we
keep
can do.
going. We don't give up. We don't give up. It's strength. This has happened before.
You want to be next?
It's the switch on the top right-hand corner.
Open it.
You're going to set prisoner against prisoner if you do that.
You'll be taking your last breaths if you don't.
I had to run away from people, and this is really...
Please. You don't have to do this.
Shut up!
Don't hurt my children.
Shut up!
Set out to find them.
Put your hands up, Bob! Turn around.